Within a controlled studio environment using the same professional builder, the following SmartFit window was installed over 8 times faster than its standard equivalent. Cladding installation time was not included in the comparison for either window. So what makes SmartFit so much easier and faster to install? Firstly, the windows and doors are fully integrated, meaning they arrive on site with built-in sill support bars, head flashings, end dams and cavity closers. Secondly, the installation process is so much simpler. There is no need for PEF rods, silicons or expanding foams. Simply lift the window or door into the opening, screw into place and tape over the fixing fin. The opening is now completely sealed and you can move on to the next one. Be sure to ask for SmartFit on your next project.